Hey guys, so today I will guide you that how can you download a Roblox Studio in your PC. So to download a Roblox Studio, first of all, open your any browser. So let's do and simply search here Roblox Studio. Now here, tap on Roblox Studio. Now, as you can see, the Roblox Studio website is open. So simply click on Start Creating, tap on Cancel, and as you can see, here we get an option to download a studio. Okay, so simply click on. Now wait for a few moments. And as you can see, our Roblox Studio installer is downloaded. Okay, simply open and click here on run. As you can see now, the installation process of Roblox Studio is started. So guys, the process of installation is completed. Once the installation process is completed, the Roblox Studio directly appear on the desktop screen. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, here is our Roblox Studio. Simply open it. So here we get an option to log in. Just simply write your email ID, username, phone or password and simply click on login. Okay, that's how you can download Roblox Studio in your PC. I hope this video helpful for you. If it was, please like the video, share the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.